downtown Vilonia, where we're getting tornado action all through here. So it's really gonna hit. There's a funnel right there. You can see it. Get ready to edge down here. If there's a storm, this is where we are, and it's gonna get worse. Green clouds. Clouds are green. Big storm just pulling in and wedging in through the area. There it goes, coming down. There you go, top of my head. Now I'm going to take it to the back where you can see lightning just striking. It's sporadically striking through the area. There you go. Oh, and you seen that, right? There you go. Tragedy is going to hit pretty soon. And we're all going to be the witnesses of it. Oh! There it goes, see? Gotta watch it. As it unfolds, the tornado right here. The funnels here are on top of us, where we should be. And you see it's foaming, and it's about to come down. So there it goes. The funnel of the storm is right here.